How to log in into Bybit account. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to log in into your Bybit account. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. First of all, download and install the Bybit app on your device and then tap on it to launch the Bybit application on your device. You will land on this official interface of Bybit where you will see login now option. Select that and ensure that you already have an account on Bybit. So enter your email address and password. You can either enter your mobile number and the password as well or go with Google. So for now, let's enter all our credential. After you enter all your login credential, you need to tap on login now button and then you need to solve a portal. After you do all the on-screen prompts, you will easily get access to the home page of Bybit account. So that is how we easily log into our Bybit account. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching. Hi everyone.